Hey explorers, have you ever wondered what's inside a volcano? Get ready because I'm about to take you deep into the heart of one of nature's coolest mysteries. Picture a big mountain, but instead of just rocks and trees, this one's got a secret. Inside, it's super hot with melted rock called magma. Magma is like hot, gooey cheese under the ground. Now, when a volcano is sleeping, magma stays hidden deep down. But sometimes the pressure builds up and boom, the volcano erupts. Magma rushes out, turns into lava and flows down the sides. Lava is so hot, it can melt almost anything in its way. When it cools, it becomes hard rock, making the volcano even bigger. But wait, there's more. Inside a volcano, there's a special pathway called a vent. That's where the magma escapes. Above the vent, you'll find the crater. That's the big bowl on top where all the action happens. Some volcanoes even have lakes in their craters. So, volcanoes aren't just mountains. They're like huge bubbling soda cans ready to fizz. They shape our earth, create new land, and remind us how powerful our planet is. Now you know what's inside a volcano. Next time you see a volcano in a book or movie, you'll be the first to spot the magma vents and craters. Stay curious and keep exploring.